Very quick before this video starts. We actually have a brand new logo. You guys have probably already seen it based on my profile picture, but if you haven't, I'm going to throw it up on the screen right now. Let me know what you guys think of the new logo down there in the comment section below. I'm very excited for this new direction. As you guys can see, we just went with a plain S. We're doing a gradient from blue to purple, my favorite colors. So I'm very excited to have this new logo going on the channel. And to celebrate this new logo, we actually are now selling Solstay merch. So if you click the link in the description, it's the top link in the description, soleaio.net. That's where you guys can get all of these cool items that I'll show up on the screen right now. We have hoodies, tees, crew necks, coffee mugs, posters, pretty much anything you guys could think of. We have it on soleaio.net. So guys, please go over there, purchase some stuff, support me, support the channel. That's the way that we're going to grow. And if you haven't already, liked the video and subscribed to the channel. Now let's get into the live copy. Here we go. Let's go! Let's go! What's up, guys? Didn't plan on recording anything today. I literally just got home from work and I saw that we were getting a restock again of these Jordan 1 Hyper Royals on foot action. So we fired it up real fast. As you guys can see, boom, we hit live Proxies and Prism. Let's go! Sorry, I'm just really pumped up because these were restocking a little bit earlier and no luck at all. And then they were restocking again. And I've literally just been sitting here seeing other people get checkouts and stuff, and I was honestly probably pretty close to stopping tasks and everything. Wasn't even paying attention, and then just out of nowhere, we got the ding, and there you see it. Live Proxies, Prism. Already got the email for it as well. Boom, got one off live. Thank you, Live Proxies. Thank you, Prism, and thank you, Mainly Servers. One is enough. Thank you very much. Alright guys, about 9 minutes before the release, you guys already know that we're ready to show you guys, like we promised, Coffee Triple Crown. We got our Deathwish, we got our Torpedo Quokka, boom, and this is the one I'm the most excited about, Quokka V2. Look at that, boom. So we're ready. We'll get ready to start our task here in a few minutes. Good luck. I hope you guys cook out. I hope you get all the pairs that you want. If you haven't already, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below and let me know how many pairs you got. What bots you got them on. I want to know what bots you guys are using. But anyways, let's get ready for this drop. Let's get into it. Here we go. Anyways, Lemon just said to regen Proxies like right here at the very end, so I'm trying to take care of all that real fast, and it's not good, you know, not good at all. We have 3 carded, please check out. 4 carded, please. I'm about to open the task browser for real. Let's go! Says queued. Lemon Proxies, so shout out Lemon. I also want to do a quick shout out to Whop, the bot rental platform. That's what allowed me to rent Toru for today. I rented it for $5, so I don't think that one's gonna go through, but if it did, you know, we rented a bot for $5 and it checked out a shoe with profit way more than that. So I will leave the link down there in the description. Go check out Whop. Make sure that you get your bot rentals from there. Quick, easy, and very cheap too. So head over to Whop and get yourself a bot for whatever drop you're looking for. Oh, let's go! Let's go Prism. Alright guys, we have a quick unboxing to do here. We have 4 or 5 packages. I want to point out real quick, I am wearing one of the new Soul State hoodies. This is the digital print hoodie. And if you guys would like a hoodie, go check them out on the website, soulstate.net. We have a bunch of different hoodies, tees, accessories, things like that. So if you want to support me, you want to support the channel, go check out soulstate.net and get you whatever you guys would like. So let's go ahead and get into these 4 packages here. I'm going to unbox all of them and then we'll talk about everything that we have. Alright guys, this is the first shoe that we have that we unboxed here. This is the Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0. We managed to get, I believe, a size 5, 6.5, and a size 12. I wish this drop would have went better for us. Unfortunately, it didn't. But this shoe, I can't believe how much people are sleeping on this shoe. I mean, you guys can take a look at it. I'll throw a closer view up there on the screen as well. But this is just an iconic colorway. As I said, Shadow 2.0. The suede on this reminds me a lot of the Mochas. Sorry, of the University Blues. It's made the exact same way. Just different color blocking, but this shoe is one that I think is going to go up a lot in value over time. I think a lot of people are undervaluing it right now, so I will probably be holding my GS pairs for sure. I'm not sure about the size 12 if I'm going to get rid of it or hold it, but I highly suggest if you guys have any GS pairs, definitely hold those. And then if you can get any pairs locally for right around that 220, probably 230 mark, I would say get them and hold these because this is going to be a great long-term hold. I wish I would have got one in my size because I definitely would have worn it. I don't have a gray and black Jordan 1 right here. I may have to use the size 12 to trade. Speaking of trades, we actually have an interesting shoe that I want to show you guys in just a little bit. But let's go ahead and move on to our other shoe. It's actually an Adidas shoe that we caught manually. So let's go ahead and check that one out. Alright, so this is the box that we have right here. This is actually an Adidas ZX1000. This is, as you can see on the front, this is a collaboration with The Simpsons. And I really like the box. I don't love the shoe, but I like the box. This is a size 9.5. The reason I got this shoe is because I got early access on Adidas and I was able to quick sell it on StockX for a little bit of money. But let's check out what it looks like in person. So this is the Adidas Simpsons ZX1000. It's an extremely light shoe now that I'm feeling it. It has flames all over it and like a flaming cup or something on the front. I don't know, I didn't watch the show, so I don't really know exactly what it's supposed to represent. But the colors are cool. I like the colors. I'm not crazy about the flame aspect of it. I wouldn't wear it personally. But this color purple on it is really cool, and the ZX1000 is a pretty nice light shoe. So pretty cool shoe. Seems like it'd be a pretty good running shoe, or maybe just a workout / walking shoe. But we were able to pick this one up. As I said, we already sold it on StockX, so this one will go out tomorrow. Made a little bit of profit of it, so pretty good. Now I did mention that we got a trade in. You guys already have seen the box before. Boom, Jordan 4 University Blues. But I was able to trade a pair that I got in for a pair in my size, a personal pair. So I'm extremely excited to get these on feet and wear these around. I'm actually going to Galveston this weekend with Christy and her family, so we can kind of scope out some more wedding stuff. So I'm excited that I got these in. Hopefully I can wear them down there and it's not raining. But this is just a shoe that I had to add to the collection. So this is a personal pair and it will probably be going up on the wall somewhere. We have so many Jordan 1s back there. But this is a personal pair. Very excited that I was able to trade for it. Shout out to my guy KS Sneaker House. He really helped broker the deal for me. And I do a lot of business with him, so shout out to him. I'll throw his page down in the description as well. But very excited that I got these. If I'm able to wear them, I'll probably throw some on feet clips on the screen so you guys can check them out. But very excited. Good haul that we got in so far this week. So we will get on to the next clip. That's going to do it for episode 25 of Resell Life, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the live cops and the unboxings this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and like this video for the YouTube algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. If you guys would like any Soul State merch like I'm wearing right now, go to soulstate.net. Make sure you check it out and get your merch. I appreciate the support. And if you guys want to get anything, let me know, and I may get you a discount code or something like that. Thank you to Whop for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to rent any bots from Whop, use my code SoulState1 for 5% off. That will be in the description, as well as link to my editor Audie's Twitter page, and it will be on the end. If you guys would like any bots, any videos edited, be sure to check him out. He is the best in the biz for sure, and let him know that Soul State sent you his way. Thank you so much to Deathwish and to Quokka for keeping me caffeinated throughout all these releases and these clips. If you guys want any coffee, check the description down below. Make sure you use my codes for percentages off as well. And thank you to my amazing cook groups for providing me with this information. Thank you to Notify Squared. Thank you to DROPALERT, the Society, and also SoFlo Supply. So thank you guys so much for keeping me up to date with all the information for the releases. And that is it for this episode, guys. 25 episodes down. Thank you so much for supporting. Couldn't do it without you guys. And as always, we will see you on the next one.